ಮನಸ್ಸಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಬಂದು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
My feedback to teacher is his thinking of
I know you all have potentials. Don't miss the potential.
One of the manifestation techniques that I use and everybody use for success is vision board. In my vision board, I have academic validation. I believe every student needs and have a desire for academic validation and getting more grades. With the rules clap. There's no anarchy here.
That is the reason. It is a remembrance. Be real.